Morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you. Take out your books. Take out your books, beta. What did we do last?
Ma'am, we are on page 26.
On page number 22. No, beta, we're not on page number 22. We have started the new chapter, a la cafeteria, haven't we?
Yes, ma'am. We are on chapter number 2.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, we have started.
On page number 29.
Page number 29.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, page number 29. Okay, now this page number 29 that has after now, what we'll do? You are going to do it yourself, like all other chapters. These are simple translations that you will do yourself. Now, what you have to do, directly come to page number 30. Complétez en utilisant l'article défini. The first question is complete by using the definite article. Now, what is the definite article? The definite articles are le, la, and le. Isn't it? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
we all know that we use la before feminine. Are you getting the reflection of light on the board? La
No,
before
ma'am, it's visible.
masculine nouns. L apostrophe before a noun that starts with a vowel, right? And LES before all plural nouns. Now, using this, you have to complete this exercise. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Start doing this exercise.
Excuse me, ma'am, which exercise we have to do?
What, beta? Which exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
The first exercise. On page number 30, exercise 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Please send the PDF of that.
Okay, one of you better please send the PDF because in my book I have already solved this exercise. All the exercises have been solved.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, only exercise.
Only the first exercise you have to do right now. Done it? You have done it?
Ma'am, Utkarsh was asking.
Ma'am, please tell what we are doing.
Chaitanya beta, open page number 30 of your book. We are doing the first exercise. Everybody open your cameras. The first exercise says that you have to complete these given sentences using definite articles. Now, what are definite articles? Definite articles are la, la, and lay. Okay, I'll switch off the light. Can you see the board now? It is clear. Show me a thumbs up if you complete it.
I'm done.
Good.
Ma'am, please tell again the page number.
Page number 30, exercise 1.
I'm done.
Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of that of L with an apostrophe? Ma'am, the third one. Ma'am, you are muted.
L apostrophe means, see, suppose there is a noun starting with a vowel, like bird, uazo. So what we'll use? We will put L apostrophe, the bird, to say the bird. If
Okay,
suppose now if I take the word uazo in plural, what I'm going to put before it? I'm going to put lay before it. Why? Because my noun is in plural. We put L apostrophe only before nouns that are singular and that start with a vowel. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, shall we discuss?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
First
Yes,
sentence.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
J'aime dash chocolat et dash bonbon. Now, what is the answer?
Ma'am, lay and lace.
Ma'am,
Yes,
lay
ma'am.
and lay.
If you
Lay and lay.
speak wrong this thing, pronunciation, your answer will be marked wrong. So we call it le and lay. Le, lay. Okay. Next. Second, what is the answer?
I'm love.
Ma'am, la tidwen.
Ma'am,
Let you dion.
I'm love.
Let you dion.
Ma'am, love.
L apostrophe. Then the third one,
I'm la.
la.
Yes, ma'am.
This television.
Ma'am, la.
Fourth one,
lal.
I'm la.
Ma'am, la gom.
fifth one,
I'm
Ma'am, la lay.
I'm la and lay.
la and
Lale.
lay. Then sixth one,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
lay.
lay.
Lay. Ma'am, lay and lay.
lay and
Lay. Lay.
then the seventh one.
Lay.
What is the seventh one?
With the
Ma'am,
person.
la home and la.
I'm la.
And la. And L apostrophe and L A. Very nice. Everyone's answers were correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming
Yes.
on to
Got
the next
only one
exercise.
wrong.
Now what we are supposed to do in the similar way, we are supposed to fill these blanks with indefinite articles. Now what are indefinite articles? Indefinite articles are you and they. Comes before masculine nouns, un comes before feminine, and they comes before plural. Now do it.
Ma'am, what is the last answer?
Of the first exercise,
Yes, ma'am.
L apostrophe on, voila, long, a, la, farm, L-A. Show a thumbs up after doing it. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
the first one. What is the first one?
and A.
And A.
A. Very nice.
I'm on the.
Rob and you. Rob and you both are feminine.
You.
So we
Ma'am,
have
yun and
you
yun.
and you. Then the next. They and
They and
they and Good. Next.
Yoon and Yoon.
No, why Yoon and it will be and.
Ma'am, I mean and you.
Yes. And Yoon. Then the fifth one. Sid
Yoon and
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 Yoon and
then
They and they.
they and they.
and the seventh one.
And you.
And Yoon.
And
Very nice.
Yoon.
Very good. You remember all these genders. The
Yes,
genders,
ma'am.
all the nouns. Very nice. Then coming on to the next one. Now this is a little, children make mistake in this, a little difficult. So what you will do it in your book and I will tell you who will type which answer in the chat box. Okay, take 5 minutes to do.
Question number 3.
Yes, beta. Question number 3. Now what you have to do, you have to conjugate these verbs. Can I erase the board? All of you have done this. You don't need this, right? Now, let me write down the IR working, which goes IS, IS, IT, ISS, ONS, ISS, EZ, and ISS, ENT. What we do, we remove the IR and put this to the word. This is what you're supposed to do. Depending on this, taking this as your base, you have to do this exercise.
I'm done.
Very quick.
I'm done.
Okay, beta, let everybody do.
I'm done.
Okay. Shall we discuss now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what you will do is, by writing numbers, proper numbering will be done. And then you will give answers in the chat box. Bhavya, write the answer of 1, Ridhima 2, Ayush Agarwal 3. Sentence number 3 and put numbers before them. What about other students? Have you done Angel, Alind Tandon, Krishna Gupta, Aditya Mishra, Utkarsh?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Only 3 are
Aditya
left.
Kumar, answer 4. Alind Tandon, answer 5. Okay, Bhavya gives the answer of the first one. Jefini, correct. Second one comes, very good, Ridhima. Third one, very nice, correct. Then the fourth one. Who has given the answer of the fourth one? No one? Ayush Agarwal, I told you to give the answer of the fourth one.
Ma'am, you have told me on
No,
third.
ma'am. Ma'am, me. I'm Aditya.
Aditya. Okay, Aditya give the fourth answer. Very good, Ayush. Third answer is correct. Angel, sixth one is not correct, beta. Who is giving the answer
No,
of the
ma'am, it is
fifth one?
correct.
Very good. Fifth is also correct. Sorry, fourth is also correct. Now, who is giving the answer of the fifth one? Alind, beta, wrong. Okay, now let's work on answer 5 and answer 6. What is 5 and 6? See, the verb is what we are supposed to do. We are supposed to use the entire verb by just removing the ending. So in the fifth one, the verb is proceed. What we will do, we will remove IR. Now, le fruit grossir. Le fruit. That means we are talking about plural. So it is going to be conjugated according to ILS and ELLES. What we have to do? GROSSISSENT. What is the ending in ILS? ISSENT. We only have to remove IR and put this. The entire word remains the same. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the sixth one. Now, LRUC all exam. They succeed in the exam. Now again, what it is going to be? Till here our word is like this. It's the same. Now, ISSENT. This is the sixth one. This is the fifth one. Correct? Got that? Then, seventh.
Yes.
Who will tell the seventh one? Saksham, seventh. Neeruz, eighth. Ninth will be given by Utkarsh. And 10th will be given by Pratyush Singh. Karthik Chauhan, 10th one by you also.
No one is in the PDF yet.
No one has sent the PDF. Why, children? Why so?
Ma'am, I asked that, ma'am, full chapter or the only exercises?
Very bad. Beta, you should have told me in between only. You should have stopped me in between. I am sending the PDF of the chapter. You send off exercises.
Okay, ma'am.
Very nice, Saksham. Correct answer of seventh one. Then eighth one, who is supposed to give?
Ma'am, I.
Yes, Niruz, there's
Ma'am,
no
yes.
answer. Tenth one, no. 10th, who gave the answer? Karthik, better wrong. 10th is not correct.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the subject pronoun? It's nu. It's written nu over there. Who is giving off 8th and 9th? Okay, Bhavya, give off 8th and Ridhima 9th one. Okay, very nice. The 9th one is correct and the 8th one is also correct. Good. Now, what we'll do, we have come across all the new verbs over here, right? Let's just translate all these sentences in English. Can you tell the translation of them in English? All of you? Yes? Okay, Chaitanya beta.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the translation of the first sentence? Read out the first sentence. Utkarsh, have you got the PDF?
J
Yes, ma'am.
Chinese la leso.
So what it means?
Ma'am,
Very, yes.
I am reading a lesson. I am reading a lesson.
No, finir. What does finir mean? Finir doesn't mean to read. What it means? It means to finish.
Ma'am, finish.
I finished the lesson. Then next, Ayush Agarwal, second sentence.
Manor, choice, un, livery,
Translation. What is the translation? Manuel choisi un livre, which means Manuel chooses
May I tell?
chooses a book. Okay, Alishba, third one.
Ma'am, to finish the word. It means you finished the homework.
Very good. You finished the homework. Fourth one. Neros, you want to try the fourth one?
Ma'am, I don't know this.
Okay, just try. What is l'enfant? L'enfant grandir très vite. Okay, Ridhima.
Ma'am, the child grows very tall, very big.
Very fast.
Okay.
The baby grows very fast. Grandir means to grow. Good. Then, Utkarsh, fifth one, beta.
Ma'am, I don't know the meaning of gross.
Grossir. Grossir is to become big, to become fat. What is the word gross?
And the
Gross
fruits
means
are big.
fat? Yes. The fruits, no, are big name. The fruits get big. because it has been used as a verb over here.
Okay, ma'am.
To become big, to get big. The fruits get big. Then sixth one. Sixth one, they dash in the exam. I have only told
May
they
I?
succeed in the exam. Then can anyone try off the fifth one? Sorry, the seventh one. What is the seventh? Yes. Anyone else wants to try apart from Ridhima? Okay, Ridhima, tell.
Ma'am, they passed the exam or she passed the exam?
Yes, that one is
Yes,
done.
ma'am.
The sixth one is done. Beta.
They
I'm
passed
asking about the
exam.
seventh one. Who wants to try the seventh one?
Ma'am, I am not able to understand the last 4 words.
Last one. Okay.
They are negative.
You can tell whatever you have understood.
Ma'am, Avni becomes thin.
Very good. Avni becomes thin. Now what is past? Past I told you in the previous class also. P-A-R-T-E-Q-U-E.
Ma'am,
Past.
because
Ma'am,
Because now when they say Pascal, they remove this E, put apostrophe, and then they write like this. Pascal, because she. Now what is Mosh?
Mango.
No, Mosh. Mosh comes from which verb? Manger. Manger means to
eat.
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 Past L mange per. What is per? Per means
Less.
little.
Ma'am, less.
Very less. Very little. Avni becomes thin because she eats less. Then the eighth one. Who will tell the eighth one? Aditya Mishra will tell the eighth one. Aditya, Utkarsh, you have not answered any question. Krishna Gupta, you have not answered any question.
Ma'am, which one should I?
Eighth one.
Okay, ma'am, please.
What is the eighth one? Hurry up, tell.
What is the meaning of?
Obeir means to obey.
Yes, ma'am, OBA.
Obeir means to obey. Les élèves dash length.
Ma'am,
Thanks.
the children, ma'am, obey the instruction.
Yes.
Ma'am, the students obeys the instruction.
Not the
I'm
instructions.
instructor.
Instructor.
I'm instructor.
Instructor. Then the next one. Les pommes rouges. What does it say? Alishba, can you tell? Les
Ma'am,
pommes-
just a minute.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, tell beta, you tell.
Ma'am, the apples blush quickly.
Apples what quickly?
Ma'am, blush.
Blush, okay. They become red. Now for apples, we are not going to use the word blush. Why? Because human beings blush, right? How can apples blush? Now, rouge, what is the word rouge? Rouge means red.
I'm red.
Red. So it means the apples redden. Redden is to become red, like they become ripe. When they become rotten, they start reddening. Then the last one.
Can
Bhavya.
I tell?
Bhavya, tell the last one.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we choose delicious biscuits.
Yes, we choose delicious biscuits. Very good. Now in the last 2 minutes, next exercise. We are going to do the next exercise. You have to give plurals. Now, before giving these plurals, please pay attention to the rules. Take care of the rules that are to be followed. Try it. Maybe we'll discuss it next week because this is little time taking.